So अगर opinions नहीं है, you know, you can't say what you think in a safe environment. Where are you going to say it? You know, your safe environment is your home, is your first environment.
लेकिन पाकिस्तानी एक माइंडसेट होता है जो हमारे पेरेंट्स का था, हमारे फोरफादर्स का था कि इतना प्यार करोगे तो बच्चे नाजुक हो जाएंगे, वो बाहर जाके कैसे मुकाबला करेंगे, आप उनको वीक कर रहे हो। कोई लड़ाई होगी स्कूल में बच्चों के साथ तो वो बर्दाश्त नहीं करेंगे क्योंकि आपने घर में इतना सॉफ्ट माहौल दिया हुआ है, तो उनको थोड़ा टफ करना चाहिए आपको।
I think जब आप प्यार देते हो ना, लव, बच्चा ज़्यादा कॉन्फिडेंट होता है। जब आप उसको दबा के रखते हैं ना बच्चे को, बच्चा डर जाता है। या एंड रिस्ट्रिक्शन जब डालते हैं ना बच्चे को, उसकी कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं होती कुछ बोलने, क्योंकि ही इज़ बीन रिस्ट्रिक्टेड ऑल हिज टाइम। मत बोलो, तुम्हें कहा ना कि आराम से बैठो, ओपिनियन नहीं चाहिए, जब मैंने कह दिया कुछ। तो अगर ओपिनियंस नहीं है, you know, you can't say what you think in a safe environment. Where are you going to say it? You know, your safe environment is your home, is your first environment. You know, when you give lots of love and you nurture, and I'll give you an example. If you have two tomatoes that you're growing, ठीक है ना, एक को आप देते हो sunlight, पानी, soil, बातें करते हो उसके साथ, you have the communication. That tomato is going to be a big, fat, round, juicy tomato because you've given everything. If you keep one in the house, no sunlight, पानी कभी कभी देते हो, बात भी नहीं करते, you know, you're not giving it, changing the soil, that tomato is going to grow weak. ठीक है ना? So if you take that concept into your home, yeah, you can see the one that's going to flourish and the one that's not. That makes sense?
Very interesting.
It's interesting.
Yeah.
So, you know what it's like, chore नहीं करना, ज़्यादा प्यार नहीं करना. You know, I'm very hands-on with my children. I love giving them lots of kisses. Even now, my 20-year-old, you know, because my adat dali hai. He comes home, he'll give me a kiss, he'll sit down next to me. He still wants to go out with me, which is a blessing. You know, no 20-year-old want to go out and hang out with their mums. But it's that open communication, you know. And for me, जो मैंने ये program से take away किया है कि इस बच्चों के साथ ये जो communication वो जारी रखो. Make them confident, give them a little bit of freedom within your choices and consequences of movement, of restriction. You know, give them a choice, but also give them a consequence, not a punishment.
Okay.
Yeah, a consequence, and follow it through when it comes to parenting.
जैसे लेट्स से अगर वो आके